Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for your health and well-being. Alert! Discover the hidden dangers of ultra-processed foods damaging your health. We'll explore the hidden dangers lurking in those seemingly convenient and tasty ultra-processed foods. By the end of this article, you'll be equipped with practical advice to make healthier choices and protect yourself from these hidden threats. Understanding ultra-processed foods. First, let's clarify what we mean by ultra-processed foods. These are foods that have undergone significant processing and contain multiple added ingredients, such as sweeteners, preservatives, colorings, and artificial flavors. Examples include sodas, packaged snacks, sugary cereals, and ready-to-eat meals. While they might be convenient and tasty, they often come with serious health risks. The hidden dangers. High in unhealthy fats and sugars. Ultra-processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats and added sugars. These ingredients can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. For example, a single can of soda can contain more sugar than the recommended daily intake. Low nutritional value. Despite being high in calories, these foods offer little nutritional value. They are often stripped of essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy body. Regular consumption can lead to deficiencies and related health issues. Addictive nature. The combination of fats, sugars, and artificial flavors in ultra-processed foods can be addictive. This can lead to overeating and a cycle of unhealthy eating habits that are hard to break. The brain's reward system gets hijacked, making you crave more of these unhealthy options. Increased risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that a diet high in ultra-processed foods is linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, and certain types of cancer. These foods often contain harmful chemicals and additives that can negatively impact your health over time. Practical tips for avoiding ultra-processed foods. Now that we've identified the dangers, let's discuss practical steps you can take to reduce your intake of ultra-processed foods and make healthier choices. Read labels carefully. Always check the ingredients list on packaged foods. If you see a long list of unfamiliar ingredients, it's likely ultra-processed. Look for whole, natural ingredients instead. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home allows you to control what goes into your food. Focus on using fresh, whole ingredients like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid the temptation of grabbing unhealthy convenience foods. Make a weekly menu and stick to it, ensuring you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent choices. They provide essential nutrients without the added chemicals and preservatives. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and reduce cravings for sugary drinks. Limit sugary drinks and snacks. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juices. Choose healthier snacks like fresh fruit, yogurt, or nuts instead of chips or candy. Midpoint reminder. Before we continue with more tips, I want to remind you that in the description of this video, you can find a totally free ebook on 20 foods to boost your immune system. It's a valuable resource that complements what we're discussing today, helping you make even better choices for your health. Additional strategies for a healthier diet. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to what you're eating and savor each bite. Mindful eating can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Incorporate more plant-based meals. Plant-based meals are typically lower in unhealthy fats and higher in nutrients. Try incorporating more vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into your diet. Avoid marketing traps. Don't be swayed by clever marketing. Terms like natural, low-fat, or organic can be misleading. Always read the labels to understand what you're really consuming. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about the latest research on nutrition and health. This will help you make informed decisions about your diet. Get support. Making dietary changes can be challenging. Seek support from friends, family, or a nutritionist to stay motivated and on track. Conclusion and invitation to subscribe. In conclusion, while ultra-processed foods might be convenient and tasty, they come with hidden dangers that can seriously impact your health. By making informed choices and opting for whole, natural foods, you can protect yourself from these risks and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for reading. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Together, we can continue to make healthier choices and improve our well-being. Remember, in the description below, you'll find a link to our free ebook on 20 foods to boost your immune system. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Stay healthy and take care.